Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir Pete. Now, I remember once hearing twins say, every man coming like a girl will constantly stress them out, but them can't live for. I can definitely relate. Every time it look like we take one step forward as a nation, as a culture, every time it look like we're moving in the right direction, serious times now. Next thing you see, within a week, sometime within a day, 2 step or 4 step back. After we just see the whole taxi man strike, demand amnesty. The video that went viral was a clown bodying up some passengers, sticking a hand, behave like say he must smash the father. When I made the first video, I'm a clown, I was talking about, the way how I normally use the word, somebody who is acting like, a buffoon or something like that. I didn't realize this man is actually a clown. You see, every man have a circus culture. Every man have a badness culture. Therefore, it only makes sense, say, a bad man clown, would boss, quote unquote boss. This is the perfect combination. Now, Mr. People already start to introduce the straw man argument. It's not like him killing nobody. Of course, him not killing nobody. You have to kill somebody. To get called out. You have to go to the extreme to get called out for foolishness. The video of me say, that man did not stop the vehicle and say, right now we're having a protest and we're looking for solidarity for everybody who drive taxi or whatever. So it would be great. No, that's not what I saw. A badness me see in my truck. He wasn't asking nobody kindly. Him bad up the people them to come out of the car. Him sticking a hand like him a go lick somebody. And don't forget, the car was full of females. I be a woman missing in the car. I'm very curious to know if I saw him in that behave, if that taxi was full of man. Even though it look like say there's no method to the madness, there is. Then pick and choose who them run certain joke with. It was a car full of females. Shortly after, we see police hold on upon him. Him in a station. Turn crybaby. We say, well done. Step in the right direction. Victory. An example was set. No others can see say, don't try that. Here comes Zip FM. Here comes the coonery and buffoonery. I tell you all the time say, our need, our desire for entertainment is greater than our desire to see the country a better place. How could Zip drop the ball like this? Them have to hold a capital letter L to this one. Whatever joke, come never joke, whatever it was, joke, stunt, who knows. If we didn't even award the man button or sticker or whatever. I mean, they've somehow managed to turn somebody who just one day before was getting called out, rightfully so, and saying this is unacceptable. I wonder if they realize how hard it is to go up on a platform like Zip. I wonder if they realize how hard it is to go up on certain mainstream platforms. But this is how you get on it for free. This is not an artist. This, a matter of fact, I don't even think they would welcome YouTubers up there. I think if enough YouTubers reach out to them and say, we want to go up on the platform and say certain things, they probably would reject you. But a clown who satellite as a part-time bad man, next thing you see, when I get quote-unquote award, button, stick, whatever foolishness that was. And if on top of it, this brother double down on the foolishness because that quote-unquote apology we give is quite simply a farce. I mean, don't get me wrong, I feel them platform they can interview them on. But when me see in that interview and some of the things them, right, that surround the interview and the clown in general, it's not a good look. It's very regressive considering the statement that was made prior. But just can't understand how a station like Zip or our, quote unquote real media company drop the ball like this. Coonery and buffoonery carry you very far. Next thing you know, you're going to hear say, him have a mixtape a drop. What is going on? How did Ironman turn into the land of wood water and court jesters? And bad and not so bad, if it was at least real court jesters that are only entertaining, right, it wouldn't be so bad. But we are talking about acidic court jester. This man is supposedly a clown, right, that turn up at protests with stick and bother people around him with a car. What, a gangster clown? I'm telling you already how this works. People do them action, then when they come under pressure, them fall back in a victim mode. Oh, I'm just a little, just a little trying youth. I'm just a little professional clown. Me no clown, actual clown. Right. People with them career is clown. They are very good when it comes on to putting on party for kids and them things. But clowns are jovial people. Clowns not chop badness. I didn't see nothing entertaining but what him do. Him bother the people them, he bother the woman them. Some of the woman them I see come out of the car. A big woman for him. Where him a go with stick? Who him a talk to so? We could have made an example. We could have made it clear this is unacceptable. We could have made it clear, zero tolerance. But in less than a week, this youth is now on a tour, an island-wide tour. I get all award. It's funny. It's entertaining. And one thing we realize is Ironman. We sure know how to turn a victory into defeat. Even when it look like, yes, the day has been won. Progress will be made. Lessons will be learned. The victory somehow turn into defeat. Many of these corporations in Jamaica, many of these social media figures are whatever, hosts and all kind of people, right? TV hosts, radio hosts, all of them talk the talk. We stand with women empowerment, and a unicorn meet. Only just see where the man do a care for that woman, right? And that's who on the show, on the support behind. And yes, believe it or not, when they did show the support behind them. Not because they didn't say, hey, we love and respect this man, right? But your actions, you are now encouraging others. Because them say, oh, are this how him reach? Remember, this is not a YouTube channel. This is not a little YouTuber. This is mainstream. As me say, don't be surprised if you hear say man drop a mixtape. Don't be surprised if you see him on TV, right? Until I say, album launch a come. Jamaican culture has slowly and surely been eroded to nothing more than a giant circus. And it's fitting, because as me say, this brother is supposedly a clown. When him that bad up people, him never claim, say him a clown. Him never stand up there, right, with a painting on him face, and one balloon light on, I do some tricks, and I say, come out of the car, right, look on this elephant, no, it's a snake. A bad man thing him def on. But when him back against the wall, what him do? Him revert back to, but I'm just a clown, man. Me no clown, actual clown. Then I run down on people sticking an honor into that car. No time at all. This is embarrassing. Yes, nobody was murdered, nobody get their heads chopped off, but you don't have to be that. You don't have to reach this. We're having mainstream platforms rewarding acidity, rewarding buffoonery. You see, a mainstream, I love go like say them high and mighty and above certain things. I don't know, maybe you don't see the big deal. So let me say, after them platform, you can interview them on. The fact say the way how them do it water down the situation. Right? It trivialize, right, the situation. and it will encourage others because that's mainstream. Make him go do that on a YouTube channel. Make him go do that on him own a IG page or whatever. Make one of him friend them for one corner. Say, see one award, that's one stick out on both. But when you reach mainstream, it's a different level of empowerment. It's a different level of encouragement. So, as I say, it was tone deaf and regressive. But this is just my opinion. So, I wash my hands at this topic. And I have nothing more to say about this brother. Look out for him appearing on a TV station near you. Don't be surprised when you see a mixtape drop though. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more live. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.